If you've ever wanted to move around in Lucid without messing up your diagram, this video is going to make that super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to pan across your board using a mouse, a keyboard, or a trackpad so you can navigate smoothly and keep your workspace organized. If this guide helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, let's just start with the easiest method if you're using a mouse. To move around your Lucid workspace, press and hold the right mouse button, then drag your cursor in any direction. This lets you pan across the board without selecting or changing anything on your diagram. If your mouse has a middle button or scroll wheel, you can also click and hold that middle mouse button and drag to move around the canvas. Both of these options are really helpful when you need to shift your view quickly and inspect different parts of your work. Now, if you prefer using your keyboard, Lucid gives you another simple way to move. Press and hold the spacebar, then click and drag with your mouse. This temporarily turns your cursor into a hand-style navigation tool, which makes it easy to glide around the workspace. This is especially useful when you want a little more control, or when you're zoomed in on a detailed section of your diagram and need to reposition your view without accidentally editing anything. If you're using the trackpad, the process is just as straightforward. You can click and drag with 2 fingers to pan around the board. This is a great option for laptop users because it feels natural and responsive. Instead of zooming in and out constantly, you can smoothly move across your Lucid workspace and focus on the exact section you need. The key thing to remember is that all 3 methods are designed to help you navigate without disturbing your diagram. So whether you're using a mouse, keyboard, or trackpad, you can move around confidently while keeping your work exactly as it is. If one method doesn't feel comfortable, try another and see which one fits your workflow best. A quick tip: if you're working on a large board with a lot of shapes, text, or connections, learning these navigation shortcuts will save you a ton of time. Instead of fighting with the canvas, you'll be able to jump between sections faster and stay focused on building your diagram. So to recap, if you want to move in Lucid, you can either hold the right mouse button and drag, click, and hold the middle mouse button and drag, hold the spacebar and drag with your mouse, or use 2 fingers on a trackpad to pan around. Once you get used to it, moving around the board becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.